Clearwater, Florida, is a city defined by sunshine, coastal breezes, and stunning scenery. For homeowners, selecting the right windows can make a significant difference in capturing the essence of Clearwater living. Casement windows are an excellent choice, combining functionality, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal. Their versatile design and practical features make them ideal for enhancing comfort and style in Clearwater homes. Here's a closer look at the top features of casement windows and why they are perfect for Clearwater homeowners. Superior ventilation and fresh air. One of the standout features of casement windows is their ability to provide excellent ventilation. Hinged at the side and opening outward, they allow maximum airflow into your home, which is particularly valuable in Clearwater's warm and breezy climate. Ventilation benefits. Full opening. Unlike double-hung or sliding windows, casement windows open fully, allowing fresh air to flow freely into your living spaces. Directional airflow. Casement windows can be angled to catch prevailing coastal breezes, ensuring a comfortable indoor environment. Improved air quality. The wide opening helps remove stale air and replace it with fresh outdoor air, creating a healthier home. For Clearwater homeowners looking to embrace the coastal air, casement windows are an excellent option. Enhanced energy efficiency. Clearwater's sunny weather can lead to high cooling costs if windows aren't energy efficient. Casement windows are designed to minimize energy loss and keep your home comfortable year-round. Energy-saving features. Tight seals. Casement windows close securely with compression seals, preventing air leaks and drafts. Double or triple pane glass. Insulated glass reduces heat transfer, keeping your home cooler during Clearwater's hot summers. Low E coatings. Low emissivity coatings reflect heat and UV rays while allowing natural light to enter, reducing reliance on air conditioning. By choosing energy-efficient casement windows, you can lower your utility bills while reducing your home's environmental impact. Modern and versatile design. Casement windows offer a sleek and contemporary look that complements a variety of architectural styles. Their clean lines and unobstructed glass panes make them a stylish addition to any Clearwater home. Design advantages. Minimalist aesthetic. Casement windows have a simple, elegant appearance that enhances both modern and traditional home designs. Uninterrupted views. Their single-pane design provides clear, panoramic views of Clearwater's stunning outdoors, from lush gardens to coastal horizons. Customizable options. Choose from a range of frame materials, finishes, and colors to match your home's style. Their versatility ensures that casement windows can seamlessly integrate into any room or exterior design. Easy operation and maintenance. Casement windows are designed for convenience, offering effortless operation and low maintenance upkeep. Their user-friendly features make them a favorite among homeowners. Operational benefits. Crank mechanism. The simple crank handle allows for smooth, easy opening and closing, even in hard-to-reach areas. Accessibility. Ideal for places like above kitchen counters or sinks where other window styles may be difficult to operate. Easy cleaning. Casement windows can be opened wide, making it simple to clean both sides of the glass from inside your home. With their ease of use, casement windows are a practical choice for Clearwater homeowners. Improved security. Casement windows offer excellent security features, giving Clearwater homeowners peace of mind. Their unique design makes them more resistant to forced entry compared to other window styles. Security features. Multi-point locks. Casement windows typically have multiple locking points along the frame, ensuring a tight, secure seal. Hard-to-access hinges. The outward opening design makes it difficult for intruders to manipulate the window from the outside. Durable materials. High-quality frame materials like fiberglass or reinforced vinyl add extra strength and protection. By choosing casement windows, you can enhance your home's security without compromising on style or functionality. Durability for coastal conditions. Clearwater's coastal environment demands windows that can withstand humidity, salty air, and occasional storms. Casement windows are built with durable materials to handle these challenges. Durability features. Weather-resistant frames. Vinyl, fiberglass, and aluminum frames resist warping, rust, and corrosion caused by Clearwater's humid climate. Impact-resistant glass. For added protection during storm season, consider hurricane-rated casement windows. Professional sealing. Proper installation ensures your windows remain watertight and secure, even in adverse weather. Durable and long-lasting, casement windows are a smart investment for Clearwater homes. Adds value to your home. Installing casement windows is not only a functional upgrade but also a value-boosting enhancement. Their combination of style, efficiency, and practicality makes them a desirable feature for potential buyers. Value-adding benefits. Curb appeal. Sleek casement windows enhance your home's exterior, creating a modern and inviting look. Energy efficiency. Buyers are attracted to homes with energy-saving features that promise long-term cost benefits. Timeless design. The versatile aesthetic of casement windows ensures they remain a stylish choice for years to come. Upgrading to casement windows is a long-term investment in your home's value and appeal. Conclusion. Casement windows offer a winning combination of style, functionality, and durability, making them an excellent choice for Clearwater homeowners. Their superior ventilation, energy efficiency, and modern design enhance your living spaces while standing up to the challenges of Clearwater's coastal environment. If you're ready to upgrade your windows, contact a trusted window professional in Clearwater today. With expert guidance and installation, you can enjoy the many benefits of casement windows, creating a home that's as beautiful as it is practical.